to Phoenix right after high school and went to MMI for bikes. And when I was there, I worked for a custom fab shop doing custom fab work, sand rails, trophy trucks. Had to move back home, and when I did, I got a job at Jaw Dropping Customs doing hot rods, bikes, and kind of branched off from here and been on my own for the last 4 years. The one I'm bringing to the Battle of Builders is a 1960 VW single cab. We had the opportunity to do a lot of custom work in the motor bay, something that kind of never been done before. Had the motor built by a friend of mine. We went in there with the CNC plasma and made all custom rings, got everything powder coated, brought back to the house, sanded them back down, painted them to match the rest of the vehicle. We got CB performance parts all throughout the motor. The back side of the vehicle is all original. Lights, bumpers, gates, deck lid, all the fins came original, rims and tires all original. On the paint and body, we use all 3M and PBG products. We stripped this thing down to bare bones and replaced every rust panel and dented panel we could. And after all that, about 90% was replaced with new panels. All the insides were original, besides the interior, a little bit jazzed up, just the custom work with it. Put a retro radio. Restored the gauges, got new buttons and steering wheel. We built this vehicle for a customer, but at the same time, he really liked the beach theme of this vehicle, so we went there with a Como's surf shop out of Hawaii. We've been on it for the last 18 months, and this is pretty much winding down to finally represent Battles of the Builders and our small shop. That's the whole dream of what I'm doing here, in my backyard, of putting out the best I can and still be good enough to be the best out there.